Northwest, and as you can tell, they got a 20% sale going on. The shop is full. There you go. And we're going to introduce you to the owner.
What's up, guys? Steven, Detail Garage, Northwest San Antonio. We do this once a month. It's every third Sunday of the month. We come out here. It's just a big party for all our customers. Anybody wants to come out and show off their ride, everybody welcome. We're family friendly, dog friendly. We got free coffee, free donuts, everything you come out and see. 20% off the entire store. And we appreciate all you guys coming out.
All right, much appreciated, Steven. We'll be back next month.
5879 Babcock Road.
All right, bro, give me your name and tell me about this big beast right here.
How's it going, sir? Dominic Cortez. Got a 2011 F350. Sit on a 14-inch FTS list and a 24 by 14 Forgiatos and 42-inch 1550 Fury tires. Everything color matched. Trying to go with that black and white theme. Fox dual steering stabilizer down here. Just, you know, pretty much it.
That's awesome, bro. Let me get it, man, because this thing is a beast. It's hard to get it in the same frame, man. It's hard to get it. F350, that's dope as hell, man.